on Amtrak and CSX rail fan here. And then we got a CSX freight close to like 2:11. I heard him trying to warn us. And yep, there he is. And he just met the chassis system in the previous, he met that went by in the, he probably just met the chassis system not too long ago down towards over there as well. That went by in the previous video. There he goes. Nice K5LA on him, and it was a nice friendly crew. And good to see these containers a little bit back in service because there was a strike at some of the ports towards the towards New York City and towards that towards the east East Coast, and they couldn't have a lot of trains, but it's good to see a couple of them still out and running.